Guys, we just got to the meetup point for today's video. Today we're gonna have a different style of vlog. We're gonna do some drag races. We have the homie here from Vegas. He drove all the way down from Vegas yesterday to get some things done to his Raptors. So that's right there. We got two baby TRXs pulling up and pretty clean. Got a track hawk. I think that's an RHO actually. So let's see right now. And a baby TRX. Baby TRX. Away from Texas Street. I got some a lot of fast wheels here. Pretty active. Another 5-0. It's an RPO. Got the homie right here. Homie. And we got a SRT and pulled up deep. Got some cars, some pretty hard whips. Dang. Right here. Dang, a bunch of Raptors. Damn, we got a brand new Harley Davidson edition on that side right there. We got the homie right here, Lalito's Toys, 5-0. Another, damn, we got a Roush Raptor too over here on this side. Got a Z71. Another Trail Boss. Where's Peter? Peter should have been right there. Get Peter way. Got a 5-0. Another 5-0. I'm not sure if it's a 5-0, but it might be a 5-0. 5-0? Eco boost? Power boost? 5-0? 5-0? Power boost? Power boost? Raptor? Raptor? There's not even everybody that's pulling up. This is just a fraction of everybody. We got the homie, he came all the way from Vegas. Homie Gerardo over here, he's big old tired. I think he said he fucked up his axle already, so got a first gen. It's like my pops. Damn, his B-logs are sick. Sheesh, that's badass. We got another bumper that's like the trying to get on my truck. Another Gen 3. And little Gen 2 right here. Then we got the two oranges pulled up right now. One with carbon fiber and the other one with 1,000 horsepower. This gang of power. That's just pretty badass right here. So I'm gonna post up over there where the drags are gonna happen, but let's say what's up to the homie. active out here. That fool's gonna flip. There's a lot of 5-0s out here today. Damn. We got the homies from Fine Line. We got Chewy's truck out here today. Got this badass Trackhawk too. I thought homie Chef. Got the tacos like he set up. Tacos El Cabezon. We're here. Got the drags going on still. Damn, that fool's still running his thing. The homie with the Harley Davidson. Surprised he hasn't gotten tired yet. Back-to-back races. With the quad in the back, happy to everybody. Challenge. TRX from Minnesota here too. Now this one's clean with all the hot design lights. Damn. A lot of clean builds out here. A lot of clean builds. A lot of nice trucks. No se ve mucha polvadera, pero baby TRX, guys. This one. Yeah. What's up, Father? Oh shit, I didn't even know you. And we got Yellow Jacket Performance out here. Damn. We got the Hellcat Durango out here. This badge is 392. Don't be fooled, people. Don't let them fool you. It's clean. We got another TRX out here. Yeah, he's out here putting on work. One of the fastest one out here. Here we got Juanito's quads that's missing. No llegó Juanito, so there's no quad. We got some super quads here. Let's see what we got. got a Lobo Raptor R. Damn, that fool fucked up his fender liner too. Damn, that's just fucking hard. Hey, we got all the trucks lined up right here. Clean ass picture. We're trying to do a 360 with the trucks. I mean, we got the heavy duty trucks flexing on them Jeeps right here. ¿Qué? ¿Cuáles Jeeps ni qué nada, viejo? Damn, look. Damn. See that T-Rex, no? On the Raptor. Sheesh. You know that the Raptor can do Jeep things, bro? We're still posted up here at the meet. Sheesh, salud, salud, viejo. We got Big Lip Performance right here. Hey, run away, it's the TRXs. We got Big Lip Performance right there. We got una 4x4 sticker right there with the homie Cochi Loco. Then we got the RHO trying to flex right here. But hey, bro, is that a V8? Stop, bro. Just capping on him. Man, hemos escoltados por V8 right here. Estilo México, viejo.